माई फ्रेंड, एवोल्यूशन हमें ये सिखाता है इफ़ यू डोंट चेंज योर सेल्फ टू बिकम मोर फिट टू डील विद द हार्शनेस ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट और लाइफ, if you can't bring yourself to adapt to changing circumstances or situations in life, then you won't be able to survive. And then you'll get into a state of haze, cloudiness in your mind, depression. So ask yourself this question कि तुम आगे बढ़ रहे हो या नहीं, तुम अपने चैलेंजेस को फेस कर रहे हो या बस उनसे भाग रहे हो, तुम वो कर रहे हो जो तुम्हारे गोल्स को सपोर्ट कर रहा है या यू आर जस्ट डूइंग थिंग्स एज ए कंपल्शन टू जस्ट फील गुड. नाउ अगर साइकोलॉजी के टर्म्स में कहूँ तो देयर आर फ्यू कॉन्सेप्ट दैट आई कैन शेयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ यू आर बीइंग कंपल्सिव और इम्पल्सिव, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू वांट टू ईट समथिंग और लेट्स से वॉच समथिंग, देन यू डोंट गिव इट अ सेकंड थॉट, यू जस्ट पुट अप योर फोन एंड ऑर्डर समथिंग. फ़ोन चाहिए स्क्रॉल करने के लिए, तो आप एक सेकंड के लिए भी नहीं सोचते कि मुझे अपनी लाइफ के साथ क्या करना चाहिए. यू जस्ट ग्रैब अप योर फोन एंड स्क्रॉल फॉर इनफाइनाइट टाइम. दीज ऑल आर थिंग्स दैट वी डू टू फील good in the moment. All these are impulses, and the more you feed those impulses because you want to feel good in the moment. There is a concept in psychology called hedonic treadmill. Let's say this is the baseline of your dopamine. अब तुमको कुछ खाने का मन किया, डोपामिन स्पाइक. फ़ोन चलाने का मन किया, तुमने फ़ोन चलाया, डोपामिन स्पाइक. गर्लफ्रेंड से बात करनी है, डोपामिन स्पाइक. ये जो बार बार तुम्हारा डोपामिन स्पाइक हो रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड हेडोनिक ट्रेडमिल. So what do you think? Is life just about spikes, the highs, or it's about totality? Where you're gonna have your wins, your losses, you're gonna have your happy moments, you're gonna have your sad moments, all emotions. Well, I can just offer you a path. और इस path पे तुम्हें चलना है या नहीं चलना है, it's totally up to you. It's totally your choice, your life. But here is what I have done, what I am doing, and what you could do as well. So the concept is called ACT, Acceptance and Commitment Therapy. Yeah. So what you need to understand right now is that जिंदगी में you are going to have a wide range of emotions. ठीक है? The therapy doesn't offer you a kind of solution that tells कि हाँ जिंदगी में कठिनाइयाँ, दुख, heartbreaks चले जाएंगे and then you will be happy ever after. It doesn't happen like that. ऐसा होता भी नहीं है. It doesn't work like that. Right? To live means to cry and to laugh the next day, and that's life. Hence the therapy is called ACT, that you accept what happens in your life. But accept कैसे करें? आजकल तो कोई accept ही नहीं कर पाता, लोगों को accept करना ही नहीं आता. But there are techniques that you could do, जो आपको सिखाई जाती है when you get into this. So the first thing is called cognitive diffusion, meaning you have to look at your feelings, at your thoughts, at your impulses, instead of looking from them. So for example, आप कहते हो कि you are sad, but are you really sad or you are just experiencing that way? Are you really depressed or are you just feeling that way? So when you start to practice, like तुम Buddhist traditions में देख लो, so there is mindfulness thing that is very similar to this, where you are subjected to observe your state of mind instead of being woven by it. और ये भी मसल की तरह काम करता है. It's not just built in one day. You have to build this over time. And so the first step in trying to improve yourself is to watch yourself, to watch your thoughts, to watch your inner conflicts, watch your inner voice, watch your feelings, watch everything inside you with great deal of attention instead of being one with it. If you are anxious, don't say that I am anxious. Then you are getting intertwined by the feeling. Then you are no step away from it. I'm teaching you to create a space between your state of mind, your feelings and yourself. You can be like, yes, I see anxiety. I am experiencing anxiety. तुम डिनाई नहीं कर रहे हो उस फीलिंग को, तुम एम्ब्रेस करना सीख रहे हो. फिर तुम जाके रियलाइज करोगे कि यू कैन बी हैप्पी एंड एंशियस एट द सेम टाइम. वो लोग कहते हैं ना कि हैप्पीनेस इज अ चॉइस. नाउ दैट वी आर गेटिंग देयर, वो ऑप्शन पार्ट आता है आगे जाके, बट पहले अपने आप को फीलिंग से सेपरेट करना सीखो. चूज कैसे करोगे इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी इंटरट्वाइंड बाय द फीलिंग ओवर विच यू हैव नो कंट्रोल. देयर इज नो चॉइस व्हेन यू आर वन विद द फीलिंग. सो पहले तो आपको अपनी फीलिंग्स के साथ एक स्पेस क्रिएट करनी है, एंड दैट थिंग विल कम विद कॉग्निटिव डिफ्यूजन. सो क्लोज योर आइज फॉर अ सेकंड. breathe, and try to capture whatever feelings come. डर लग रहा है, कल एग्जाम है, कैच इट लाइक अ फ्लाई. हार्ट ब्रेक हो गया, कैच दैट फीलिंग, कैच दैट थॉट. Like this, you catch a feeling inside your mind, that constant buzziness in your mind, creating noise and noise and noise, and then you are just catching up those thoughts to become cool. But the problem is, most people, instead of catching those feelings, the feelings catch up and they get caught up. So once you really start to catch up your impulses, before they get a grasp over you, you come to observe them. And then you end up creating a space between your impulses, your thoughts and yourself. जो तुम हो, who is far more important than those feelings and thoughts and your experiences. So now you are just an observer. The second step, if you really want to level up in your life, is to have meaningful pursuits in life. Is to have meaningful values in your life. Instead of succumbing to society, the friends and family, एक बार तो आर्टिकुलेट कर लो खुद के साथ बैठ के कि what sort of life that you want. Values is all about things that add to your life into actions, and you have to convert those values into actions. So it's always about action. The language of your brain, it should be action, not more of those thoughts, those impulses. क्योंकि आप जितना सोचोगे इस बारे में, the more your mind starts to entertain those feelings, आपके ब्रेन को लगेगा कि हाँ ये करने से तो मज़ा आ रहा है. The brain will start to give more of these traumatic thoughts कि हाँ मैं तो lazy हूँ, मुझसे कुछ नहीं होता. Then you will get into this loop of just thinking and thinking. You have to train your mind to take actions. And action should make your brain happy. So instead of denying those feelings कि हाँ डर लग रहा है तो डर लग रहा है, किसी चीज़ का fear है तो है, accept it. Because until you accept that, you won't be able to take action. And once I accepted those feelings and thoughts कि whatever there is वो real है, now I will have the power to direct your attention to wherever required, to something that actually yield me something in life. And that's how you break the pattern of your mind and you introduce something new. क्या values चाहिए जिंदगी में? What values do you actually want to make up? Do you want to experience new places? Do you want to leave your old circle and get with some high value individuals? Do you want to travel to different parts of the world? Do you want to change your lifestyle? Do you want to get rid of a relationship? क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? You need to ask yourself, is it valuable for me? You need to articulate your values in life, because that's how you convert your values into actions. And that's why it's called valued action. So instead of focusing on the old patterns that are triggering you or are creating more mess in your life than it has to, focus on creating some new patterns. Try to redirect your attention and energy into creating new valuable patterns. Try to redirect your energy in living out those value patterns. This is how your brain replaces one with other. Your brain is like a child who likes to play with different patterns and different ideas, whatever pays it attention. So if you pay your brain attention with new patterns, your brain will perceive it as, hey, it's cool. It's a new toy to play with. And then your brain will now give you more reasons to perceive those new patterns. कुछ नया करना है, कुछ नई skills बनानी है, नए friends बनाने हैं. It's totally subjective. It's totally your journey, my friend. I can't say कि तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए अपनी लाइफ के साथ. You have to articulate it on your own. क्या लाइफ में मायने रखता है अभी? What's really important? What's really valuable? And don't mind, these values change over time. So start to articulate those values. Values that supports your life. Not just that makes you feel good in that moment. वो hedonic treadmill वाला concept नहीं. We want the baseline to be meaningful. We want meaning in our life. We want prosperity in our life. We want the totality in our life. But proactively. जिंदगी को अपने दिमाग के हाथ में नहीं सौंपना है. As smart as it sounds, as smart as it convinces you to think it is, it's not. Emotional मामले में ये बहुत weak है. Okay? So start leveling up. And the only way to level up is to find those 4 or 5 things that actually matters to you and to pursue them with tunnel vision mindset. जैसे अर्जुन को सिर्फ मछली की आंख दिख रही थी कि पेरिफेरियल में मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. That is all just I can see. To turn the blind to the world and to focus on those 4 or 5 things that actually matters to you. And those 4 or 5 things are not just necessarily to be fitness or financial goals. It has to be values. कि मुझे अच्छी लाइफ चाहिए, I value money, I value fitness. And your attention is non-stop there, तो तुम्हें कभी कभी sadness आ सकती है. But you won't be depressed. So yeah, start leveling up. See you.